See all them boys using these poles right here. Oh boy, I'm gonna kill him with this. That ugly stick. Yeah. Drop straight down, man. Let's see how deep this is.
All you do is
That ain't as deep. Yeah, he said like 70 feet of water or something. I'm getting bit already. Look, I'm getting bit already. I'm getting bit already. Uh-oh, I'm getting bit already. They ain't got it yet though. Think so? Hold up now. Oh, I got some. Yeah, I got something small though. I got something small. I got some bait fish, y'all. Oh, I got a little snap. A snap. Look. Oh, what this is? Yeah, it's just a little snap. You can't keep these. Could we chop them up?
I think we chop them up.
We chop them up? Already. Oh, this boat is. This boat almost made me fall. Alright, we just gonna.
Gotta be 12 inches.
Yeah, that's all I'm trying to make sure.
Cut them up and fish with them, man. Cut them up and fish with them.
No, he said it. He said they too
We
small.
can cut them up and fish with them.
For real?
Yeah, we can cut them up and fish with them.
Alright.
Cut them up.
Alright, yeah. I'm finna cut him up right now. School of turtles. Oh, that's a fish. Oh, these fish right here. You see that? You see that? No, that's a fish right there. That's a fish. That's a fish. Yeah, them fish down. I don't know what kind of fish that is. Look at this. Them amberjack right there? Uh-oh. Okay, Whoa, we need to pull it up. Look at all these fish. Yeah, pull it up. They not even on the bottom. They right here. I know what I'm finna do. I'm finna drop that. Look, it's a bunch. Oh, look at that fish. What that is? You see that? What that is right there? Oh, that's a jack. Oh, that's a spade fish.
Oh, yeah.
They look like a.
That's some big spade. They good eating.
Yeah.
They catch them big ones. I like to catch them big
Whoa,
ones.
look at that.
That's them angelfish. That
Oh, that's them. They big though. Oh, they big out here.
they good eating. I'll tell you. It's big enough. That's the same size you caught one.
It's probably bigger. He probably might be a keeper though. Huh? What you got, boy? What you got, boy? I hope you got a mango. I got you.
That one's a keeper. Sure.
Oh, it came off. Mangrove. It's a nice mangrove snapper, man. Nice mangrove.
Nice mangrove, buddy. Good job. Keeper.
16, boss.
What I said. You get it up. I was gonna get
You got it, huh? You got it. That boy been praying for that. Uh-oh.
That shark got you. Yeah, put it like that, that shark got you. Dude right there.
Gonna cut him up, boy.
Yeah.
That boy been praying for that.
Okay.
Oh, that's nice.
Get a picture.
That's nice.
They're out of season, man. We can't keep them. Get a picture.
Right behind. Can't get the snapper.
Oh, we can't keep the red one?
Nah, man, they're out of season.
Dang. I looked it up. I thought it was.
35 years. They closed them in 2010 for 35 years. Every once in a while.
See, put it closer. A little bit closer. I appreciate it, man.
All right.
Yeah. Nice mangrove snap. Boy, that's nice. Let's keep it up, boy. Go ahead,
Let me do it, guys.
All right.
Here's your chunks.
Dang, what that is? That's a school of fish. A school of them.
Yeah, it's a keeper. Yeah. What's the number? 16.
They get way bigger than that.
It's like a keeper to me, though.
What is that? That's one of them. I don't know what that is. Yeah, it is. Get my knife. Need to go on up there. Gonna tie it on yourself. Oh, that's a what you call that? Yeah, that's what suck on the sharks. Yeah, I forgot what you called him. Mora, yeah. Yep. There you go. You got him. And there got him. Let's go. Come on, keep going. Come on. Oh, we got him. Let's go. You're almost there. Let's go. Don't let him go. Let it go. Let's go.
Okay, he's coming.
He coming. I see him. Oh, that's that cut bait. Let's go.
Come on, birthday boy.
For real.
Coming, y'all almost got him. Yeah.
That's it. Oh, it's a shark. Some coming. Some coming. Get him up. Oh, that's a snapper. Oh, red snapper.
Get up out the water, though.
It's finna come off, bro. Hold on. Alright, let's go. Alright, here we go. Hold on. I'm slipping. In there, okay. Hey, go take a picture, bro. Let me take a picture for you, bro.
That's that man now.
I'll tell you. Let me take a.
Chicken dinner.
I gotta get a picture for you, bro. Yes, sir.
Real.
It's not really.
I know, it's tough.
Got you, bro. I got it.
Man right here.
Take me one. All right, just throw him, toss him.
You can't keep it.
Oh yeah, they going up.
I tell you, look. They ain't gonna be able to reel that is, man.
That's crazy, man.
Not gonna be able to reel that is.
How that did that, man? I got, bro. I had. That's crazy. Okay, two. Bring them in.
Everybody else been popping.
Been getting hit. Hold them on. Oh, there you go. That's what? 1, 2, 3?
All three of us.
1, 2, 3, 4.
They got us like that, man.
You.
That's how you catching that jump. Oh, there you go.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's what I'm talking about. He was just talking. Yeah. Uh-huh. Come on. Yeah. 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 Oh, man. Yeah. He said that cut me. That cut me, bro. Yeah. Stop talking that shit. Yeah. Come on. Yeah, hook came off. You got him? Uh-oh, the one got him. He got him. That's a mangrove right there. That's a mangrove. That's a mangrove.
Oh,
He came off.
everything.
Dang.
Everything.
Oh, everything. Dang. Bro, what y'all hooking into? Sharks or
You
something?
got your pictures, guys? Okay. You need a rig, man?
Dang, bro. They
Take your time, man.
They took you through there.
They ain't gonna let you be great today. I'm telling you, the two I done had was.
Dang. What y'all think that was? I know. Look at all them fish. I'm finna put the GoPro down. Bring them in there. Bring them in there. He tired. He ain't find no more. Think so? Yeah, he got him. He tired him out. He ain't find no more. Yeah, he big. Oh yeah, he got one. That got one. He got a red snapper. That might be the biggest one. That might be the biggest one.
Whoa!
That might be the biggest one there.
No, it gotta be a keeper. It gotta be.
Oh, it gotta be the keeper. Dang. That's it. All right, Dave.
You got it. I can't keep no snap.
You got it.